hearts together. Okay.
Hello! Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? Nasan tayo ngayon?
Tayo ay nasa Putut! Neon!
Nandito kami ngayon sa karaoke.
Oh, bisa mo na. Pili ka na. Pinapanta ko sa'yo, boss.
Time check ngayon dito ay 9 na ng gabi.
Cheneng!
9:47. Ay, 10 na?
10 na. Napakagala mo.
Yan, siya nag-aya niyan.
Buka.
Niyang kumanta.
Wala.
Kasi feeling niya, napakagaling niya.
Naliligo na kasi ako, di ba? Naliligo na tayo. May pagkanta ka pa. So parang nahili ako.
Okay. Oo.
Lagay na yan.
Lagay mo na.
Woo! Let's go!
Teka lang, kasali ako.
1, 2, 3. Let's go!
Oh, ayan ha. Gabing-gabi, nakakape.
Anong kanta yun? Whitney Houston ba yun?
Yung mga Whitney Houston.
Yung kanina, pinapanok sa'yo. Whitney Houston.
Yun pa kami ice cream and kape.
Kape.
Hindi ko nga alam to.
Antay mo.
Pinipilit mo.
Touching you, feeling warm again.
Ayun pala yun. Wow, okay.
The ride with you is for the fall, my friend. Loving you makes life more living. Di pala.
Sabi mo kantahin ko, ba't ka nakikikanta?
The night we had until the morning.
Huwag ka lumapit na, ganun kasi.
You just did to me survive. We kept our hearts together. You know. Wow.
Take me for what I am. I'll never change all my colors for you. Every minute to you, very much further. Don't walk away from me. No, nothing.
Ayaw. Tumayaw ka.
Stay away just to hear you breathing. Watch me smile while you were sleeping. Every moment spent with you, the moment I treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes, don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Even when I dream of you, sweetest you would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Nakaka-check kasi yung doktor ginagawa. Huh? Okay.
Hindi ko nakanta na maayos yung favorite kong kanta dahil sa'yo.
What? Baby, all I want of Christmas is in the I just woke up from a dream. For you and I had to say goodbye. So last night, like it's the last night, if the world was there, I'd be there for you. The night of night, true. I hold you just for
Sinapos natin yun?
Ano yung Benson? Huh? Sino yan?
Benson Boone.
Benson.
Ben and Ben. Mama.
Gusto ko sa kanta, ayun sa akin. Oh, I was wrong. Lately I've been doing better. Than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. I see my family every month. I find my parents love. Just come and stand out and I think I might have it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Okay. When the feeling ain't the same in your life, you don't want to, but you know, gotta let it go. Stop what we ain't jumping like you used to. Even though this life rules you, let it burn. Woo! So many days, so many hours, I'm celebrating till you return. Ready to say it, I won't lie to you. You know, let it go. Tawa! Yan naman yung mga ganyan move. Okay. Ano yung mga move na yan? Kaya ganyan.
It's cool. Say you'll be nothing but
Sakit, mama.
my crime. It's not fair. I just little love, I just little rare. I'm gonna call it off, even you call it love. I just wanna let someone close me, baby. You should give the heart just like it off. That's the nice
No, our love was meant to be. You should know, everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. Baby, you're the meaning in my life, you're the inspiration.
Where's it go? Where's it go? Ever she? After she? What?
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. There's something takes hold on me. In a day, you look so amazing inside of me. I want you to stay with me. By my side, I swallow my pride. The love is so sweet, knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why you're loving me.
Close my eyes and I can see we're all that's waiting.
Nothing for me to do, but I one last cry, one last cry, before I leave it all behind.
This last song is for you, everyone here in Vegas.
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. You know nothing, no way to be. I was foolish, I was lying to myself. Baby, when you left, I lost a part of me. This is so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, let's go together.
So paano guys? Uwi na kami. Ito, sakit na naman ang mga lalamunan.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sana na-relax yung inyong mga tenga.
Nablabog ka mo. Nablabog.
Lalo sa boses na. So paano guys? Goodbye, good night. Bye!
Bye!